Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have professional premium data. These are in 80 plus GB. You can check property, and here 80.3 GB, and you see here total files are folder 12,116 are folder. Okay. You get action bundle, banner, voucher, business card, covers, flares, PNG, overlay, pictures, mockup files, logo, JPG, portfolio, CV, resume, stationery, stream, data, t-shirt. So first I show you PNG files. One log plus all in all icon PNG. So light, regular, bold, light, home, and here is home related image. Dashboard or touch ID. Here is touch ID for finger scan or voice ID. Password. Text meaning. So here is one log plus, and here is bold. 53 avatars, email, stem, mailbox, email action, and here is mailbox. Okay, send mail. So next is arrow PNG. Here is machinery, stream, pack, industrial. You see here report part 1, part 3 and part 4. Mammal, AI, APS, PNG files. Here are animals in 3 different format, PNG, APS and AI. Okay, and next is vintage bird. These are in 4 different files, PST, PNG, APS, and you see. So next is t-shirt. You see here the t-shirt designs in AI, APS files. You can edit it easily. So back here is 100 hunting design bundle. Just pick and drag and drop, or you can edit. Big bundle of t-shirt. This is your design here. Here is 106 files. New 100 t-shirt. Wow. Here is cold t-shirt, stock. You see here summer stuff, PNG t-shirt collection part 1, and you see here. Okay, and logo, creative logo. You see logo plus mockup file. Here is, you can see with font link, creative 20 logo. Wow. Biotechnology. Here is preview. You write biotechnology, or you can edit everything. Wow. Waterfall. Here is 200 premium logo, JPG. You see. Wow, amazing. You can edit in AI and font bonus. Here is, you can see logo. Wow, amazing. Pack 1 preview, Australia double barrel. And here is logo, AI, APS files. You see 1 2 geometric. Okay, so lot of logo, lot of mockup and PNG overlay. Victor, here is mockup file 3. Packing mockup, here is capping soda glass, you can change it. Ice cream, here is in PNG files. Print banner bundle, wow. Pro panel, here is image, fantastic. And sale banners, you can apply image. Here is JPG ads or XD files. Business banner, amazing. Here is business card and preview is here. You can see the unique. Okay, covers. Simply, here is a wonderful data, so you can buy me in just $30 US. You see here, professional stationery with letterhead, envelope paper, CD cover, or notepad with shopping bag, etc. Here is, wow, different design, amazing. So kindly contact me on my WhatsApp number for buy this data. I have already compressed and upload, so you can buy me. Thank you.